Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about an issue I found while I was trying to solve the 4x4 once. So, I'm going to give you 10 seconds just to look at this and figure out what's wrong. Okay, so if you didn't figure out by now, this and this is swapped while white corresponds with the white. So, after some time, I figured out, oh wait, I don't have my centers set up right. Because on a 3x3, in this situation where yellow is on top and red is here, then green would be here instead of blue. So what this is these, the green and the blue, or a pair of them, are messed up. So all you need to do is switch them. So let's see, I gotta figure out how to work this. Let's see. And now, the corner that we wanted to put in earlier, which is right here. Oh, wait. Will now go in. So, I hope that helped. Oh, wait, it didn't help. Hold up. Oh, so apparently we didn't switch them. My bad. Okay, so this needs to be green. Oh, sorry, I'm kind of doing some of these things off camera and I'm not meaning to. Yeah, let's keep that right there. And okay, there we go. Now that should solve our problem. Yeah, so now these corners are going in correctly. Just so you know, this is green. It doesn't look like it, but it is. Let's see if I change the lighting. You can tell a bit better that's green. Anyways, hope that helped. If it did, maybe hit the dislike button. And if it didn't help, then go on, hit the like button. Anyways, see you later.